Hello dear students, wish you all a happy morning. Welcome you back to English literature class. Today we'll do a new chapter in the Fragrance English Reader. That is chapter number 16, The Attic. Okay? So first of all, what is the meaning of, what the meaning of attic is? It means room under the roof of a house, okay, in which we keep things in. Okay? Room means here a space. So don't be confused with it. So this is a space in the under the or in the roof of a house to keep things in. This story is written by one of the renowned filmmakers, okay, story writer, okay, Satyajit Ray. So, no, he was from Bengal. Now he is no more, and he has written many children's literatures like Feluda. Okay, it's the character, detective. Okay. Now, his movie, Bengali movie, Pather Panchali, okay, has earned Oscar award. So he's not only filmmaker but good writer as well. Okay, but now we are very sad to say that we have lost him. He's no more. But his work is still with us. We still remember him. Now see, in the story, The Attic, Aditya visits again his ancestral house. What is ancestor? Who are ancestors? Your grandfather, great grandfather, okay? They all are your ancestor. So Aditya visits again to his native village, okay, after 29 years. Means after he passed his matriculation, he came to Kolkata for higher studies, and then only he started taking care of his father's business after his father's death, and after that he got no chance to come again to his village. So 29 years have already passed. So he is now this time visiting his village after 29 years. Okay. And there have been many changes. Okay, after 29 years are actually very long time, very well. So even his school building has also got changes. One thing which has not changed is the tea stall, which is near his school, and tea shop owner is Nagen Khuro. Okay. So where in school days also Aditya used to have tea. So when he is coming back to his village again, he is sure that he will not identify anything, because there must have been many changes. But he says that if there is tea shop, he will go there and have at least a cup of tea. Now, so Aditya and I were returning from the site of our new factory at Devdarganj. Okay. So narrator is his friend, Aditya's friend and business partner as well. So they both are coming back from new factory, okay, where actually new factory is going to start, has not started, which is at Deodar Ganj. And they are in their car, okay, and traveling along National Highway 40, and they reach at a place where the road divided into two parts, okay, and the road which went towards right hand side, it goes to Aditya's village Brahmapur, which is just 10 kilometers from there. So the narrator Satyajit Ray wants to know from Aditya if he wants to revisit his village, means birthplace, because he has not gone there within 29 years since he came to Kolkata 29 years ago after completing his matriculation exam. Aditya is sure that his past memory will never come to life again. Okay. Revive means come to life again, bring to life again. Okay. Why he thinks so? Because everything must have been changed. Nothing will look like earlier one. So his memory will not come to life. Though he says that if there is tea shop of Nagen Khuro, means Nagenda, which was near his school building, he will go there and have at least a cup of tea. And he agrees to revisit his village. So they took the right turn towards the village of Aditya. There Aditya's forefathers or Jamindars who have many lands, means landlords you can say. And his father came to Kolkata and started his own business. Okay. And after his death, I have told you already, Aditya is looking after his father's business. Now, what is the month actually? This is month of January, February, means very intense winter. Okay. In Hindi, this is called Magh, month of Magh. That is January, February, middle of winter. And you know, the time was 3:30 p.m. and sun actually is very comfortable. So the sun was soothing, means very comfortable. And both sides of the road are paddy fields, and the farmers have already harvested the paddy, have already cut that paddy, and it was clear that this year, means that year, production of paddy crop, means paddy crops is very good, means large quantity of paddy has been harvested that time. Okay. Well, dear students, that's all for today. More we'll study in the next class. Here you have studied that Aditya and his friend and business partner of Satyajit Ray. Okay. Go to Aditya's village just after 29 years. Though Aditya is sure that he will not be able to bring back again the past memory, because there must have been many changes. Though Aditya says that he will go there and he will go to at least the tea shop, okay, tea stall which was near his school, and have at least a cup of tea there. So, means Aditya left his village just after passing his matriculation examination and went to Kolkata, and after the death of his father started taking care of his father's business. Okay, and he is now revisiting his village after 29 years. Of course, there are many changes. Okay, and on the either side of the road, in both sides of the road, there are many paddy fields. Okay, there are paddy fields, And farmers have already harvested paddy, and it's clear that production of paddy that year was very good. Okay, so that's all for today. More we'll study in the next class. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you very much. Bye. Ciao.